Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Etsy. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Etsy app, after that click on the get started. Then if you don't have an account, click on the register. And now you have to give your first name, your email address, and you have to give a password. Alright, so now I'm clicking on the register, and then you are in. So this is how you can create an account on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. And on those videos I'm going to talk about more about this app. So let's see in the next ones. Bye bye.